Found myself near an empty editing room with the waveform on the screen. The city had a careful kind of noise, like it knew I was trying to stay small.
So we started our journey from Kutaisi of Georgia and we are going to Kazbeki. But we are going to make few stops and we are going to check out these locations. One of them is Zhinvali Reservoir. Do you know that 70% of Tbilisis population depend on Zhinvali Reservoir for their water supply? It also generates 130 million watts of hydroelectric power. And next stop is Ananuri Fortress.
I just need the room to hear how a person can keep standing with the ache kept near. Anonymous work is not a headline. It is the small lamp.
Do you know, guys, this fortress here, which is near to Zhinvali Reservoir, was once very powerful and dominant. It served as vital stronghold for controlling the river valley and trade routes. And you can also go to top of these stations which were used by royal family to escape from foreign invasions.
사지점.
Even free songs cost a little midnight. If I sound calm, it took all night. If I step back, I am still here. Still here, still low. Say it soft, say it slow. The bass moves under my jacket. The pad bends under the road. I changed my route by one small corner. Like that could change the whole year back. A taxi coughed beside the curb line and disappeared.
Well, from the fortress, you can see the whole Zhinvali Reservoir. And we are running out of time, so we are going to next location. As you can see, there were a lot of people. Most of them were tourists from many different countries. And as I said, we were running out of time because we planned this whole trip for only one day. So we had to move on to our next location, which is none other than Gudawari main viewpoint. Just like that, we reached our second destination, which is Gudauri Monument. This monument here was built in 1983, showing the ongoing friendship between Georgia and Russia.
Music like a password I forgot. Even free songs cost a little midnight. I keep the loud part folded in my coat and let the low light answer for me. Even free songs cost
The only thing in my mind was, how did they build something beautiful like this? It was looking absolutely marvelous. If you are planning to visit Georgia or you are in Georgia, please don't forget to visit this place. If you don't have any problem with your budget, there are a lot of activities to do like beach buggy, horse riding and paragliding.
it was me asking less for more. I put the old fear on the counter. Let the good light make it better. Some things leaving keep repeating like soft shoes in hallway rain. Soft shoes again. I say copyright free music when the room goes thin. Even free songs cost a little midnight. The night does not forgive me loudly. It just lets the last train in. Even free songs cost a little midnight. If I sound calm, it took all night. If I step back, I am still here. Still here, still. The light goes soft across the floor. My coat remembers where I was. I leave an empty editing room breathing, and I do not call it love. Still here, still low.
So guys, you can catch up the remaining video in part 2. I was planning to upload the whole video, but I ran out of storage and my device was hanging so much, and it took so much time for me to edit and upload this video. If you are watching till end, please don't forget to subscribe. Because of your support only I can upload more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.